What if a 30-minute call led you into becoming a top hair professional in offering a revolutionary technology that the world was looking for? Pretty dramatic, huh? Well, I'm here to explain what a strategy call is and what it'll do for you as a hair professional. Now, there's 3 parts to a strategy call, but before I go into this, I have a couple questions for you. Question number 1, are you concerned or do you know that all methods of adding hair, like hair extensions, hair toppers, and any method, they all work, but they cause additional hair loss? And did you know that the majority of our present and future clients know this? Second question, are you concerned about keeping your client's hair healthy, especially when adding more hair? Next, let's talk about the 3 parts of a strategy call. 1 is your present client condition. What are your present clients getting from you now? We want to find that out. Number 2, what is your future client's condition? What that means is how many clients, existing clients, will benefit from the microstrand invention? And more importantly, how many clients can you attract, future clients, when you offer the microstrand technology? And number 3 is to inform you all the details about this technology, so you understand about all the details, how this works, and how you're going to make this available to your audience. So now I want to give you a little more detail about the microstrand technology. This microstrand, the filaments of this microstrand, is literally as thin as a human hair, as fine and soft as a human hair, but 10 times stronger than a human hair and translucent. Translucent means upon contact of the skin or scalp, it disappears. Then 1 human hair at a time is fed onto this microstrand apart from each other. Here's the finished product. This is one example of the microstrand invention. Notice how you can just see right through this. When this is blended in between your client's hair, your clients will see and feel nothing. They'll be able to brush directly down to their scalp as if there's nothing there. And their own hair will be used and their own hair will stay safe and healthy. So let's look at some real proof of how this microstrand fades away into your client's hair. Now notice this. Notice the microstrand is actually blended in between this client's hair. Notice how I need to dig deeper, deeper, deeper until I can actually find the microstrand and bring it out as proof that it really is blended into this client's hair. Let's take another look at a front hairline. Let's look really close at this front hairline. What do you see? Look closely. Do you see any microstrand? Watch this. Notice I'm actually removing parts of this microstrand to prove to you that there was really hair added up front in this front hairline. This is unheard of in the industry. Your clients are going to see and feel nothing, and they're going to be able to brush directly down to their scalp, and they're going to be able to apply any treatments directly down to their scalp. That's the breakthrough technology that you're going to find out within a strategy call.